Hello everyone. In the practical series of IoT, today I am going to teach you practical 9, interfacing of NodeMCU as a web server. So this is the NodeMCU and I am going to interfacing the NodeMCU as a web server. So today I will show you how using mobile or web page data will transmitted to NodeMCU and how according to data LED will become turn on or off. Now we will see the programming part. First, include the node MCU library for the Wi-Fi. So include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h for connecting the node MCU with the Wi-Fi. Now client will request the data and server will respond to data requested. So communication is between client and server. So now I'm going to define these two in a program. For defining client, use Wi-Fi client and then name of the variable. For defining server, use Wi-Fi server and then name of the variable, that is the server. Now 80. So what is 80? 80 is a port that the server listen. So data which is on port 80 will continuously read by server. Here node MCU is server, so it is always connected with the port 80. Node MCU that is connected with the port 80. Now, according to the data requested, the LED will become turned on or off. So, I am connecting the LED on D5 pin of the node MCU. So, for it, define LED D5. Next is use the command wi-fi.begin. So this command that is used to connect the node MCU with the Wi-Fi. So write the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password. If the node MCU is not connected with the Wi-Fi, initially it will print dot dot dot. Once the node MCU is connected with the Wi-Fi, then it will print node MCU is connected using serial.println. After connecting node MCU with the Wi-Fi, it will show on which IP the node MCU is connected. So for this, use Wi-Fi.local IP. So it will print the IP address. Now, here I am going to use LED as a output. So define pin mode LED as a output. Next is in the void loop, client is equal to server dot available. So what it means, server will check whether client is connected or not. And if client is connected, then any data that is requested or not. If client has requested the data, then the value of client variable is 1. So this one is 1. Initially it is 0. Now, to read the requested data, use string request is equal to client dot read string until slash n. So slash n, that is for end of line. Now request data from client. So open the web browser and request the data, and whatever the request we will get on serial monitor, just we have to put it in this one. So if it is requested, then for LED on, write digital write LED high, and for request of LED off, digital write LED low. Now, after writing the program, select the board, node MCU, select the port number. So here I am going to connect the node MCU. So you can see this one, the node MCU that is connected with the communication port 8. After compiling the program, upload the program in NodeMCU. After the done uploading, open the serial monitor screen. So initially it will print ... because NodeMCU is not connected with the Wi-Fi. Once the NodeMCU is connected, then it will print NodeMCU is connected, and after that it will show the IP address on which the NodeMCU is connected. Now open the web browser and request for LED on. You can see this one. In serial monitor, we will get the request for LED on. Now after requested, you can see this one, the LED that becomes on, and I have connected this LED on D5. Now request for LED off. Now you can see this one, after requested for LED off, the LED becomes off. Thank you.